Honorable Speaker, we have listened to this debate for so many days, raised by the leader of the opposition. He seems to be repeating the same words on the issue of Honorable Ranjan Ramanayake, on whom an order was given by the Supreme Court, and as a result, his membership in Parliament has been vacated in accordance with the Constitution. This is a plight, not a plight that is only for Ranjan Ramanayake. I would like to remind late Lalit Atulat Mudali, the minister, late Gamini Disanayake, the minister, lost their membership in Parliament as a result of a Supreme Court order. There were late Premachandra of Kurunagalam, who lost his membership in Parliament as a result of defying the United National Party decision. There have been so many members in the past who has lost their membership in Parliament as a result of an order by court, and reported to Parliament, and thereafter reported to the Commissioner of Elections, and a vacancy has been created. I remember Honorable Rajitha Senaratne, who lost his seat, but he was brought back to Parliament. දන්නේ නැති නිසා තමයි කියවන්නේ. දැනගන්න කියවන්නේ. අපි කැමති වුණත් නැති වුණත් ශ්‍රේෂ්ඨ අධිකරණය අධිකරණය දෙන තීන්දුවට අපි අවනත විය යුතුයි. ප්‍රජාතන්ත්‍රවාදයේ පදනමයයි. Our feelings and emotions can take another side. What is being canvassed today is for the 7th or the 8th time. There was, I'm sorry to say, there was OSM Pereira, late OSM Pereira, who walked into Parliament as member of Bulat Sinhala, but he was prevented from the gate. Because already the Secretary General had given the letters that were collected from UNP members, letters of resignation, which was collected by late President J. Jayabadana. That letter was given, and Honorable Ronnie Dimel was appointed. The member was walking in. He was deprived of coming into the chamber. Let us not forget these instances, whether we like or not. Our emotions are different. We have to respect the Constitution. I would like to mention to the young leader of the opposition, the young leader of the opposition, that this is how parliamentary practice procedure and the respect to Constitution has been respected. All these members were elected. Some of them were nationalists. So every district had elected the people's mandate. But the people's mandate is subject to certain provisions of the Constitution and the judiciary. I just wanted to keep this House informed, because all this while we were being taken and attention being drawn only to one member. No, everyone has suffered. But the law has to proceed, Honorable Speaker.
Thank you.